This is a question I hear from a lot of people who are trying different ways to lose weight, and you get to that point when you are stuck in a rut. At this point, what do you do?
For me, the first thing I did is I created something called Your Self-Test. And so the first one is why for your is did you follow your hunger patterns?
You said every letter stands for something. The O is the one that scares me because the O says omit alcohol.
Okay.
Please tell me you're lying about that
I
part.
am lying.
That makes me feel a lot better. Now, the U, I don't understand at all.
Okay.
Use a binge saver.
Yes.
Is this something like a coupon I use when I go to the grocery store? Is that what a binge saver is?
What that is like a high protein snack that's really small. So like, let's say you said, I'm going to have like 10 almonds, or I'm going to have some celery with peanut butter.
So this is all part of the Your Self-Test. We went through a lot of facts. We went through a lot of letters. You're not going to remember everything. That's why you have this.
Now, you just heard Nick and Chantel talk about 3 out of the 12 letters in the Your Self-Test acronym. That's only 1/4. If you want to hear what the rest of the letters stand for, and for so much more information, check out the description to head over to the full free webinar. See you there.